I'm going to show you how you can travel to the casino in Lethal Company. So if you find this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. So firstly, you obviously need to have the LethalCasino mod. If you don't have it yet, I'm gonna leave a link in the description below where I show you how to install it very quickly. It only takes like a minute. And after that, you need to go to any game, open the terminal and type the company building and confirm. So this will make you travel to the company moon where you can sell your scrap, and right there you can also gamble your scrap on the casino to try and multiply it. So in my case I don't have any scrap, but as you can see the casino appears right there. Here is the store where you can sell your items or your scrap, and then right here you can play the different type of mini games on the casino. So that's it. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.